The war in West Asia has entered its 7th day. Israeli forces announced the next phase in the conflict, with Iran continue to hit targets in the Gulf. Let's take a look at the latest developments. Now, fresh blasts were reported over Tel Aviv. The Israeli military said it detected missiles launched from Iran, with defense systems working to intercept it.
Oh my God, oh my God. Himale. Oh my God. Yo, אני בהלם. Oh my God.
Israeli Air Force released images of strikes in southern Beirut. The IDF says it hit Hezbollah's Executive Council headquarters and 10 high-rise buildings, including a drone warehouse in Beirut. IDF claims to have conducted 26 rounds of strikes in Dahiyeh suburbs since the start of its campaign. Lebanon's health ministry has reported 123 people dead and 683 wounded since Monday. After heavy overnight Israeli strikes on Beirut's southern suburbs, images showed rubble strewn streets and smoking debris. Israel has issued unprecedented evacuation warnings for Beirut as residents continue to flee Hezbollah's stronghold. At least 90,000 people have been displaced by the attacks. Now, US President Donald Trump says he's not currently mulling US troops in Iran. In an interview with NBC, he said that it would be a waste of time to currently consider sending US ground troops into Iran. He also dismissed Iranian foreign minister's warning that such a move would spell disaster for the invaders. Trump says he should have a role in choosing Iran's new leader and rejected the possibility of Mojtaba Khamenei, son of late Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, replacing his slain father, dismissing him as a lightweight. Now, Trump said that he has to be involved in the appointment, drawing a comparison to Venezuela, where interim President Delcy Rodriguez has cooperated with the United States. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia said it destroyed 3 drones east of Riyadh on Friday as Iran pressed on with attacks across the Gulf. Earlier, Saudi Defense Forces claimed it destroyed 3 ballistic missiles launched towards Prince Sultan Air Base. Yesterday, the kingdom reported that it destroyed 3 cruise missiles and 3 drones near Al-Kharj. Al-Kharj is about 80 kilometers southeast of Riyadh. The United States has granted India a temporary 30-day waiver to buy Russian oil, and this even as Washington maintains strict sanctions on Moscow's energy sector. Officials say the exemption is tightly limited. It applies only to cargoes which are already in transit, meaning it does not permit new purchases of Russian oil. Washington says the goal is to prevent disruption in global energy markets and also avoid a sudden supply crunch. Sri Lanka has offloaded crew of an Iranian Navy vessel and assumed control of it. A day after a deadly US Marine had attacked another ship, President Anura Kumara Dissanayake said that his country's Navy had taken 208 sailors from Iris Bushehr. Israel, meanwhile, said 60% of Iran's missile launchers and 80% of its air defense systems have been destroyed, announcing the next phase in the campaign. Army Chief Eyal Zamir has said that Israel had additional surprises planned ahead.